times. Good morning, class. So today we're looking at percentages. At this point you have done the questions out of the diagnostic test as well. No? Also you have read through and made notes for yourself with regards to what percentages are and where is it from and all of those things. Not so. Also this section was done in grade 6 and 7. We've dealt with decimals as well. Okay, so this is basically a revision on what was done at primary school. Okay. So in this chapter we will be looking at skill 1, making percentages into fractions, making fractions into percentages, making percentages into decimals, making decimals into percentages, expressing fractions of quantities as percentages, finding percentages of quantities, and finding the size of quantity when given a part of it. Okay? So at this point we're going to look at skill 1. Skill 1 is on page 75. Okay. So we have said try the following questions to find the skill area that you need more practice in. Okay. But we must not doing all of it as revision. Okay. So the question 1 says, let's get this a bit bigger here. Skill 1 says making percentages into fractions, and we're on page 75 now. Correct? Right. So 70% must write this as a fraction. Now as percentage is a representation of a number or part of 100. Not so. So 17% can be written as 17 over 100. Okay, that's in the simplest form. Not so. Just look at number 2. 26%. 26 over 100. But this can simplify. 2 goes into 26 13 times, 2 goes into 50 times. So it's 3 over 50. 13 over 50. Yes? You will have to simplify. Always. Okay. And number 3 will be 75 over 100, which is 25 goes 3, 25 goes into 100 4 times. There's 3 over 4, and the last one, 55%, is 55 over 100, which 5 goes into 11 times, and 5 goes into the 20, which is 11 over. Well, any confusion here? It's fairly simple, no? Right, let's carry on. Let's now look at skill 2. And skill 2 is making fractions into percentages. Again, a percentage is a representation of a number as part of 100. Not so. So we're now on skill 2 on page 75. Smaller. Right. So if you want to write this as a percentage, I would just simply multiply this by 100. But that's naturally over 1, not so. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 going to 100 20 times. So it's going to be 20 times 2, which is 40 over 1, which is 40%. You all agree with that? Right. Look at number 3. Sorry, number 2. Again, what must I do with this here? I must multiply it by 100. So 100 over 1. Can anything cancel here? So that would be 100 over 3%. But now, we don't read a percentage like it. Not so. So what we do is we change it to a mixed form. Why are you changing it to decimal? The one that as a percentage. Okay, so yes, you can change to decimal. You're absolutely correct. So this is going to be 3 goes into 100, 33 and a third time. Not so. So it's either 33 and a third of a percent or 33,33%. Okay? You guys understand? Let's look at the next one. I'm going to multiply 3 over 7 by 100 over 1 again. Is there anything you can cancel here? No. So it's going to be 300 over 7. 7 goes into 30. 28, so it's 4. Carry 2. That's 21, so it's 2. And 6 over 7 of a percent. Okay. Let's look at number 4. So I multiply that again by 100, so it's 100 over 1. So that's going to give you 400 over 11. Change it to Rick's form. 11 goes into 40 how many times? 3. And the remaining 7. 11 going to 66 6 times. The remainder 4 over 11. Okay, so it's 36 and 4 over 11%. If you want, you can convert it to decimal. Okay. Before I forget, I want you to add this to your homework, okay? You divide it by 13, the same number divided by 17, and the same number divided by 62. That's 1. Yes. Long division, eh? It's coming up in the next exam. Okay. People, it's the last exam we did long multiplication, not so long division. Right. People, any confusion there? Any questions pertaining that skill? Yes, Michael.
So if we use the method where you make it a decimal and then divide it.
Yes, yeah, that's also fine. What she did was she first converted 3 over 7 as a decimal and then multiplied by 100. You're going to get 42 comma something. Absolutely fine. Okay. Good question. Anything else? Right. Thank you. Number 3, skill 3. So in skill 3, it's on page 75. Alright, make these percentages as decimals. Make these percentages as decimal. So where do I start here? 17. Okay. So 17, in other words, I'm going to convert it from percent to decimal. So here I'm dividing by 100. Not so? So 17 divided by 100 is what? 0.17. Divide that by 100, what do I get? 0.28. Divide this by 100, what do I get? 0.75. Divide this by 100, what do I get? 0. I'm upset this stuff is so easy, no? You're not upset? Okay. But you guys understand? Yes, Michael?
So if you just say that it's 17 over 100, you don't divide it,
Then of course you're going to lose the mark. Why? Who can tell her why she's going to lose the mark if she leaves it like this? No? There we go. The question says, make the percentage into decimal. Calculation is fine, 100%. Oh, you're saying if you go from 17% and you get 0.17, 100%, full marks. Okay. Sorry, I thought it meant something else. I thought you were going to leave it like that. People, any confusion here? Did I ask you to do skill 4 as well? Yes? I gave you the first 4 skills, no? You see, because it's easy, man. That's why I gave you all 4. For homework, I want you guys to do skill 6, 4, so it's 5, 6, and 7. For homework, okay? From the diagnostic. Make these decimals into percentages. So what do I do here? Now we're going to multiply it by 100, not so? So what is 13 times 100? 13%. What is 0.878 times 100? 78%. Why? Because I'm moving the comma 2 units over. Not so? 0.45 times per 100. 45%. Not so? Times that by 100. 0.124 multiplied by 100. 12, any confusion there? No. Okay, so on Monday we're going to do, did I ask you to do 5? No, no? Yes, that is skill 4. Okay, so for Monday, we're going to look at skill 5, skill 6, and 0. Okay? Stop the video here.